So guys, look what I got in the mail today. Order for Pratik Singh, and this is from Germany. Alright, a good package. So let me just open it. Video might be a little shaky. I'm doing it with one hand, so let's see if I'm able to open it or not. Okay. Alrighty. And let's see what's in there. Ta-da! So guys, this is my first ever printed version of my Learn Windows Subsystem for Linux book, a practical guide for developers and IT professionals. And obviously my name goes here, and this is published by A-Press, which is a huge publishing house. All right, and it comes under Springer Nature, and they have a lot of collaboration with and then lot of other publishing houses working under them. So cool new cover. So let's open this. All right, so this is the first page. Okay, and let's turn the page. Okay, so here goes my name, copyright, the ISBN number and everything. Okay, and here goes my favorite part, the dedication to the book. So I've dedicated this book to my beloved grandfather. He actually started his life in a very small village in 1935, and we lost him a few years back. He has a huge impact on my life, and I really cherish every moment I have lived with him, spent with him, and I totally remember whatever teachings and blessings he has given me. So just a small dedication to him. It feels so nice that wherever this book will be purchased all over the globe, my grandfather's name would be printed. From a very small village, it will go to each and every part of the world where this book would be bought. Alright, so let's look into the table of contents. So here I have 9 chapters in the book. The first one is obviously basically a primer on Windows Subsystem for Linux. Second is covering details like download, setup and installation. Third one is building mixed experiences, basically how to use WSL from Windows, and how to build experiences of Windows, like running a bash shell from Windows or running a PowerShell from bash shell, running on Windows machine. So this is the real magic of Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is building mixed experiences. So I've covered that here. Then I have how to manage your WSL distributions. So all the distros you get, how to take a backup, restore, register, how to create a custom WSL distro. Then we have also covered something on there is a chapter on Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2, which is also called WSL 2. This is the my favorite part again in the book. So this is something new. Microsoft is basically shipping Linux kernel on Windows OS, and now you can use a lightweight virtual machine with your WSL. So I've covered that. So after that, file system, a little bit networking, and then the last second chapter is Linux development on WSL. So on a Windows machine, how can I develop application for Linux environment using WSL? So I've covered that. So how to do source controlling, how to use Windows terminal with WSL, how I can configure my Visual Studio Code, and finally creating a .NET Core application using with Docker on WSL2. So how to do that. Then the final chapter is obviously how I can access a desktop environment on WSL. Maybe it will seem a little strange to a lot of people, but I just wanted to put it there. So just if somebody wants a GUI experience, you can go and see that thing. And here is, about the author, my name, a very good picture. I'm not that slim now after the pandemic, but yeah, so there is this picture, just a small intro about myself. All right, and yeah, just a quick thing. I've also so this is my second book. I'm writing another one on PowerShell to C# and back with Deepak Dhami. So go and check that book out. Just Google this and you'll find that book details here. And here is a few paragraphs on the technical reviewer of this book, which is Nathan. He helped me a lot to clean my writing and further enhance my work. So he helped me a lot. So here is a small description about that. And then finally the chapters, and you just scroll down, you'll see a lot of good visualizations, some pretty pictures, some good screenshots. A lot of content has been covered here. So this is there, and this book is around like 180 pages. So go take a look. Okay, I'm sure you will love this. For professionals, by professionals. And here is what you will get once you'll read this book. All right, so guys, Windows Subsystem for Linux, go and learn that. I've just completed my book, and it is now available on Amazon as well as on the Apress website. Thank you so much, guys.